What's going on, guys? Sam here with Finn's Twins TV, back with another video. And today we're back out here at a pond. It's super cold, 28 degrees, one of the coldest days of the year. It's about 8 o'clock, so a little bit of a late start. Figured we'd get out here a little later because hopefully these fish will be moving a little more in the afternoon as it warms up. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And before we move on, click out of this video, scroll down and click that red subscribe button, and stay tuned. Alright guys, starting off, Spro square bill, bluegill pattern. See if you can't catch a fish out here today with it. And now I'm starting with this little lipless crankbait. Got a lot of confidence in this thing last week, fishing with Rob down there in central Georgia. Hopefully this thing will work up here where we are. My only concern is I'm not sure if this pond has shad in it or not. I think it worked so well down there we were fishing last week. A lot of because the forage in that lake, how much shad there was. I'm still thinking we should be able to get us a few bites on it. Have us a good day. There he is. Second cast. There you go. They hooked up on the second cast. Hope that's not how today goes. So when you're fishing in ponds like this, you're looking for something different. So over there I see a little pocket. So I'll cast over there inside of that. Shallow over there, comes off into deeper water. They'll be sitting off on that edge. Just looking for little things like that over here. Planning out my next cast before I get done with this one. Alright guys, well we just came in here, got us a little snack, and Jake's gonna go out there. He's gonna try out there in the middle of the lake. Hopefully these fish have moved out deeper. Starting to get in the middle of the day, so these fish are really starting to move out. Get a little deeper, sit on the bottom and hang tight out there. It's so cold, water temp's about 55 degrees. These fish are really starting to get slow. And for me, I'm just gonna walk around the bank here and just make my way around and see if I can find any fish over here on the side. So we got two little plans going on, and we're gonna try and figure out where these fish are. We got us one, guys. Feels like a good fish. How's it going? Nice. On the black and blue jig. Over here on the bank. Wow, big one. Oh gosh. Good one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Big and tank right there. Oh, choke that black and blue jig. Heck yeah. Man, these fish are super cold. Man, these fish are getting super lethargic out here. Really slow with this water temp. Throwing that jig right there and got me a big one. Man, here we go, guys. Great fish right there. Let's let him go. There he goes. Heck yeah. Fish, fish, fish. That's good. Oh yeah. Take that one any day. Today's been super slow. Alright guys, so I've talked about it a minute ago. Trying to find some of the deeper areas of the pond. Trying to target it in somewhere these fish are hanging out. The main channel on this pond runs right up through under that bridge and back into the back where that water comes in. And where that channel is going to be a deeper spot. So I'm casting out right here over where I'm thinking it should be and see if we can get some fish, some of this deeper water. There we go, guys. Got another one. Not a bad fish at all. There we go. Man, what a pretty fish right there. Beautiful fish right there again. On that black and blue jig. Fishing out here in this little channel. There we go. Good fish. There we go. There we go. There we go, guys. Finally got one with a little bit of size on it. Swapped over, throwing my worm. About a second cast with it, so it's going pretty good. See if we can get some more. I think he switched over and he's fishing a worm now. Slowed down too. Now we both catching some fish. Or the fish. Sucker's running. There we go. Not too bad. If you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you would know that I love a green pumpkin swim jig. Caught a lot of big fish on them. Throw them about everywhere I go. As far as ponds, today I'm throwing this black and blue, and that's simply because of the water clarity. Most ponds and lakes I fish are more on the clear side. This one here could be considered a stain, but probably a little more on the muddy side. I'm switching over and went with this black and blue, a little more visible in this muddy water, especially with these skies, not a lot of sun, low visibility. Thinking this black and blue would be a little better than that green pumpkin would for this day in specific. Right here. This is a fish. There he is. Can't tell how big it is yet, but we got one. Not too bad, not too bad. Go. Look at that, guys. Look how white that fish is. That jerkbait finally started catching fish. Maybe this jerkbait was the trick. See if we can get some more. Go. Let her go.
that was definitely a cold day out here in the water. Had tough conditions. It was real cloudy skies, no wind, and super cold, but still managed to get some good fish. Came out here thinking just gonna throw in that lipless and the jig. That's normally what works out here, but had to switch around a lot. Threw 5 or 6 different baits, but finally managed to get us a few good fish, just switching around a lot. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and before you click out, scroll down and click that red subscribe button. Really appreciate it. I'll see you guys next time on Finesse Twins TV.